So, good afternoon, everyone. Hope I am audible and the screen is visible.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Yes. Okay, so let's start. So, basically, we are done with our first unit, the basics of production management, and some definitions, scope, and applications, and some of the parameters also that we started with plant location selection and plant layout, and then we studied about production processes also. Right. So these were the basic things that we studied, like what kind of factors are there which will influence or which can influence selection of plant location. And we have seen there are wide variety of factors, and we have seen the details. We have seen in detail about all these factors. Okay. So basically, always I am insisting that whatever we are learning or whatever we are getting the things, try to implement that rather than using it. Try to implement that. Using it in the sense, using for your exam purpose. Obviously, it is or it will be there, but implementing it in the sense, try to get something out of it that can be useful for your life. Apart from your degree, it will be useful for your life. So for example, now you are from management background, you know most of the management skills, but you are not that much aware about technical things, right? So if you want to start some kind of business or a startup, uh, you must be aware about kind of technical analysis also, because any kind of product if you want to produce or manufacture, that requires this technical background, isn't it? So whatever things we are learning here, so these things are very beneficial to get something about this technical analysis of any product. Okay, so suppose for example we learned about decision making in case of plant location, and we have studied so many factors. So if you are looking for some startups, some business ideas, then you can think with this perspective. Means whatever factors we studied, you can use that factors actually or in a reality for selecting a location. Then that will be really a proper utilization or proper implementation of your this MBA degree. Okay, so that's what we are expecting at the most extent getting. Okay, exam is the first part, but apart from that it must be or you should be able to implement each and everything. See, for being a successful, not as such successful, but to be a satisfied in a life, you should do something different rather than getting a degree, joining somewhere in MNC or some company or in a government sector. This is a like a routine job, or the routine activities are there. For some time, once you will start getting the money, for some time it will give you satisfaction, but not for an entire life. To get proper satisfaction throughout the life, there should be a something new always, right? The job is like a routine thing. Okay, so with that perspective, with that thing, if you think about the business point of view, it's always better. Right, and if you think there are very small and very simple startup ideas are there, which are now standing as a giant firms. Like for example, we have seen or we know the Byju's. I always give the example of Byju's. He had started teaching to his colleagues. He is good with the aptitude, so he started teaching for preparation of cat to his friends only without any fees or charges. And his friends have replied that you are teaching very nicely. Can you you can start your own coaching class also that can give you good return. So he shifted to coaching class and he started in his own room. He started the simple coaching class for 5 to 6 students, and it has started growing like anything. And then always he has to fly. Suppose from his some of the students were in Bangalore, some students were in Chennai, some students were in Bombay, and he always has to fly from this city to that city for conducting the classes. So he thought, will is it possible to conduct these classes by sitting at one place? And then idea of virtual classroom started. And you know the picture of Baiju now. It is more than 5,000 crores company, right? So that's how small ideas can be grown into large ventures. It doesn't require a huge capital. See, capital is a secondary part. Don't have that mindset of like for business always the capital requires. There are so many investors. Just you require and proper idea and the confidence to implement that. Getting okay. So if you are good with this part, you can really try that option of starting a small ventures. It can be converted easily into large firms afterwards. Getting it okay. So whatever you are learning, if you are able to implement these things for such kind of benefits, then it's really interesting. Okay, so one more example I would like to tell here. We are taking some time, but see, it's always beneficial. It's interesting startup. If you listen the name, you will be amazing. See, it is called as Almari. Okay, it is started just last year in Bombay. Name is Almari, Almari, Almari. Okay, this is a Marathi name, Almari. Okay, Almari in the sense we have old cupboard, wooden cupboard, like लाकडी कपाट जास्त की नाही त्याला आपण अलमारी म्हणतो. For what we are using that almari? For putting our clothes. Okay, for example, some new clothes are there, नवीन कपडे वगैरे असतील की जे आपण रेग्युलरली यूज करत नाही. रेग्युलर जे कपडे यूज करतो ते वी आर इट इज आउटसाइड, and those clothes that we are using for functions rarely we are using. Okay, priceless. Okay, those at that which we bought at high price. ओके, चांगल्या किमतीचे किंवा चांगले क्वालिटीचे कपडे आपण काय करतो ते अलमारीमध्ये ठेवतो. ओके, अँड देन फॉर सम फंक्शन्स समटाइम्स वी आर युझिंग इट. ओके, so she's a I think 22-year-old girl, and she started this almari startup. Okay, this idea is very if you see the idea, it's truly a very different idea, but now it is a more than 20 crores turnover in a year. Okay, and what is the background behind that idea? Simple. What they are doing, एक तुम्हाला सिंपल एक्झाम्पल आहे. समजा नाव यू आर नॉट मॅरिड येट, पण एखाद्याच्या लग्नामध्ये काय असते की लग्नामध्ये आपण सूट वगैरे असं हाय कॉस्ट क्लॉथ्स परचेस करतो. वन टाइम यूज असतं त्याचा, आणि कधीतरी मग ते 10 वर्षांनी एखाद्या वेळेस एखाद्या फंक्शनमध्ये आपण ते घालतो. बट काय होतं की बऱ्याच वेळेस ह्या गोष्टी सांभाळून ठेवायचं फार अवघड असतं. लाईक कधी त्याला कोणतरी उंदीर असेल काय असेल याच्यामुळे ते डॅमेज पण होऊ शकतं. सो व्हॉट दे आर डुईंग, this kind of high cost or prime cloths they are collecting. म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करायचं, समजा लग्नामध्ये घेतलेला एक 10,000चा सूट आहे चांगला, एकच वेळेस घातलेला आहे, मग तो काय करणार की दे विल टेक दॅट सूट अँड दे विल प्रॉपरली स्टोअर इट, अँड वेन एव्हर यू वॉन्ट यू कॅन जस्ट कॉल देम, दे विल गिव्ह इट टू यू. And if you want it permanently with you, they also will give it to you. Okay, so they will just properly store it. काय करता येते की प्रॉपरली त्यांच्याकडे ते स्टोअर करून ठेवतात कंडिशनड रूम मध्ये, त्यामुळे ते डॅमेज होत नाही बऱ्याच वर्षापर्यंत. व्हेरी सिम्पल स्टार्टअप as like a cold storage. In cold storage, what we are doing, resins we are storing for longer time, and whenever it is required, whenever there is a good market, then we are taking it out. Okay, same thing they are doing, and it is having a turnover of more than 20 crores. See the idea, very very simple idea, but how it is converted into the business, that is amazing. That is amazing. Okay, so think with that perspective. Okay, obviously the job is your priority, earning is your priority, but slowly you can learn something out of it, and you can start your own venture. Getting it? Okay. And see, in such a situation like current corona situation is their pandemic situation, and you know the situation of jobs. Okay, in such cases, yes, there is a some bad days for the businesses also, but this is a good time to start some kind of ventures. This type of condition will push up, this will motivate you to start something new. Right? Okay, so always explore the things in outside world. Try to explore such kind of things in outside world. It is really great. Okay, so let's come back and let's start with our regular things. So we are dealing with the functions of production planning and control, right? So we have now proper plant location, we have settled the plant layout, we know the production process. Now we have to fix the process, we have to fix the production part. And means what, now everything is at its place. आता काय करायचं आहे की we have to purchase raw material, we have to process it, we have to produce the product, and then we have to sell it. Okay, so we have to start from getting raw material. Okay, आता या प्रोडक्शन मध्ये आता ऍक्च्युअल प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होईल. गेटिंग इट? ओके, आतापर्यंत आपण काय केलं की ऍक्सेसरीज जे आहेत, रिसोर्सेस जे आहेत ते कलेक्ट केले, लोकेशन फायनलाइज केले, लेआउट फायनलाइज केले, राईट, प्रोसेस फायनलाइज केली. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर प्रोडक्शन, right? So already you have finalized your product, you know your product. Okay, that is the first requirement. So according to the product, the first requirement is go for material. Okay, this we have seen. Material means what? Sometime raw material, sometimes semi-finished part. Okay, that we discussed yesterday. Raw material means suppose you are going for manufacturing of cloths. Okay, so you require cotton. Cotton is your raw material. Okay, so planning and managing of that raw material management means what? uh, to deal with the suppliers. Okay, to process the orders, to release the payment, to get the delivery of material, to check the quality of the material, to ensure proper supply of material. Because see, whenever you require something input material, it is not a one time requirement, it is going to be a continuous supply, it is going to be a continuous requirement. So that you will have to ensure that there should be a continuous uninterrupted supply of material. It may be raw material, it may be finished part or semi finished part. काही काही केस मध्ये तुम्हाला मी कॉन्सेप्ट सांगितले होते, व्हेंडरशिप, व्हेंडर्स आर देअर. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल टाटा मोटर they are manufacturing four wheeler. It doesn't mean that they are manufacture all the parts. टाटा मोटर काय करेल, फक्त त्याचं इंजन असेल आणि बाकी सगळे पार्ट, कुशन एकाकडून असेल, शीट एकाकडून असेल, ग्लास एकाकडून असेल, व्हील्स एकाकडून असणार. गेटिंग इट? ओके, सो सप्लाय ऑफ दीज पार्ट्स, that is required to manage. Okay, so because see what will happen, सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत, इंजिन आहे, मडगार्ड आलेले आहेत, ग्लास आहे, व्हील्स आहेत, कुशन आहे. बट सपोज फॉर एक्झाम्पल दॅट स्टिअरिंग पार्ट इज नॉट प्रोव्हाइडेड बाय सप्लाय. स्टेअरिंग जे आहे, स्टेअरिंग आणि त्याचे ऍक्सेसरी जे आहेत ते सप्लायरने दिलेलं नाही प्रॉपर टाइम मध्ये, काय होईल? entire assembly will stop, entire production will stop. So it is required to ensure that all the supply will be at proper time. Okay, material should be at right quality, right quantity, at right time, at right cost. Okay, so that's what the in case of material. Okay, so now you have the material, Now once you have the material, you cannot start the production immediately. येते लक्षात. आता तुमच्याकडे रॉ कॉटन तुम्ही कलेक्ट केला, यू आर गोइंग टू मॅन्युफॅक्चर क्लॉथ्स, सो इमिडिएटली यू कॅन नॉट स्टार्ट, राईट. सो यू हॅव टू थिंक विच प्रोसेस टू फॉलो. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला हे रॉ कॉटन जे आहे, कापूस जे आहे, त्याच्यापासून काय करायचं आहे, कपडा तयार करायचा आहे. आता याच्यामध्ये दोन गोष्टी आहेत. यू कॅन हॅव ॲडव्हान्स्ड मशिनरी ऑल्सो, विअर देर इज अ लेस रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मॅन पॉवर. डायरेक्ट तुम्ही कॉटन फीड केलं की ते क्लीन पण करेल, डट पण काढेल, त्याच्यामधले बीज सीड्स पण रिमूव्ह करेल आणि स्ट्रिंग पण तयार करेल. आणि ऑर यू कॅन हॅव द सिम्पल मशीन्स ऑल्सो, वेअर साध्या मशीनमध्ये काय करायला लागेल, सम पार्ट यू विल हॅव टू डू मॅन्युअली, क्लिनिंग एटसेट्रा, and then some part will be done by machine. Okay, so your method of production will decide which kind of setup is required. ठीक आहे ना. प्रोसेसिंग करायची म्हटल्यानंतर काय लागणार आहे, आता मशीन्स लागणार आहेत, इक्विपमेंट लागणार आहे. बट व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ मशीन? ओके, व्हरायटी भरपूर आहेत मशीनच्या, ऍडव्हान्स्ड ऑल्सो अँड कन्व्हेन्शनल ऑल्सो. गेटिंग इट? ओके, so that now you have to decide which kind of method you are going to follow. Okay, so that is the second step that we studied. Third step we have seen was machines and equipment. आता तुम्हाला you know the process, either you going to use advanced machine or older or conventional machines. Okay, so now you know the machines that you are going to use, advanced machines, right? Okay, so you will check the available production facility. गेटिंग इट? आता काय असणार आहे, ऍडव्हान्स्ड मशीन परचेस केलं म्हणलं तर त्याला इनपुट रेग्युलर लागतं, हाय क्वांटिटीमध्ये. गेटिंग इट? ओके, सो इज इट अवेलेबल? ओके, व्हॉट इज द मेंटेनन्स पॉलिसी ऑफ मशीन्स? I told you the example of maintenance yesterday. Okay, there is a difference of using what CFL or tube light in your home and at the street. Okay, रस्त्यावरची ट्यूबलाईट त्याची मेंटेनन्स पॉलिसी वेगळी असते आणि तुमच्या घरातली ट्यूबलाईट त्याची मेंटेनन्स पॉलिसी वेगळी असते. सेम थिंग इफ यू आर युझिंग मशीन ऑफ ₹1 crore, प्रोडक्शन मध्ये तुम्ही काय करताय, ऍडव्हान्स्ड मशीन आहे, 1 crore रुपयाची मशीन यूज करताय आणि त्या मशीनला हाय स्किल्ड लेबर असेल. गेटिंग इट? ओके, एअर कंडिशनर रूम असेल ते ऑपरेट करण्यासाठी. अँड इफ यू आर नॉट मेंटेनिंग इट प्रॉपरली, रेग्युलर मेंटेनन्स जर नसेल, सो इफ देर विल बी सम स्मॉल इश्यू सम टाइम, सो इट विल entirely stop entire production. It will stop entire production. So there should be a proper maintenance policy, not only for machine, for all kind of equipments. Procedure and schedule. Okay, so you will have to prepare the procedure and schedule, how to operate the machine, who will operate the machine, at what time it will operate the machine, what kind of material at what time will appear on the machine. This will come under the procedure and schedule. Okay, so in third phase you will go for machines and equipments, and it is planning. Then we have gone for the manpower also. Okay, you know the method, you know the process, you know the machines and equipment. Now you want manpower. Okay, see what we are doing, we are producing a final product from raw material. त्या प्रोसेस मध्ये ज्या ज्या गोष्टी लागतात, that we are studying. Okay, manpower. Okay, I told you manpower may be unskilled or non-skilled and skilled also. You require engineer also, you require MBA graduate also, you require ITI graduate also, you require 10th pass also, right? Okay, so different kind of manpower at different level of stages. Getting it? Okay, so that is a primary requirement, that you will have to look for different kind of manpower. Getting त्यांची eligibility वेगळी असेल, skills वेगळे असतील, salary structure वेगळं असेल, वर्किंग ethics वेगळे असतील. Getting it? Okay, so that you will have to think about different kind of manpower. Okay, so manpower should be ready at required time. Okay, you know आता इंडस्ट्री मध्ये कसं काम चालतं हे you know it properly. There are shifts. Okay, so it is a continuous production, there is no break. One person will leave, another will immediately replaced. Okay, त्याच्या जागी लगेच दुसरा असतो. Getting it? Okay, so that's how it is maintained properly. Next is process planning. Okay, now you have the manpower, now next is the process planning. Now what is in the process planning? आता इथे प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस काय असणार आहे, प्लॅनिंग असणार आहे. Look at here, what is there? Fixation of path of travel. Fixation of path of travel means what? How material will process. First of all, it will be in a store room, stock room, then it will move to the cleaning department, then it will move on the first machine, then it will move on the second machine, okay, as per layout. Or again, skilled labor, who will handle which product, okay. So that fixation of path of travel, how material or men will travel. Second, breaking down of operations to define each operation in detail, okay. So for example, it means, let's take an example here only, just a minute. Right, okay. See here, what it is telling, breaking down of operation to define each operation in detail. Means what? Simple. For example, there is only one operation. First of all, first operation is drilling, okay. The common operation, you know, the drilling, okay. Yeah, drilling is making a hole into the product, okay. So drilling साठी काय लागणार आहे? First of all, that product surface should clean, okay. Product surface should be clean, okay. First requirement. Second requirement काय? Attaching on machine. मशीन वरती अटॅच करायला लागेल, ओके. मीन्स कोणत्या सरफेसला ड्रिल करायचे. Third, adjusting drilling tool. What you have to do? Drilling tool machine वर सेटअप करायला लागेल. Then deciding drilling depth, किती मोठं ड्रिल करायचे, ओके. डायमीटर असेल होलचं, लेंथ असेल होलची, ओके. अँड देन ड्रिलिंग ऑपरेशन, ठीक आहे ना. ड्रिलिंग करताना, इफ यू आर अवेअर, while drilling you required to have coolant, otherwise काय होईल, तो कंपोनंट गरम होईल. It will component and tool also, coolant, frequent supply of coolant, and then at the end you have to remove product, okay. आता एक simple operation आहे, drilling operation, right? In that drilling operation I have enlisted this many steps. Are you getting? Okay. So for everything you have to plan. For example, surface cleaning, who will do that? How much time is required? 2 minutes. 2 minutes will require. Attaching on machine, 1 minute is required. Adjusting drill tool, 2 minutes required. Deciding drill depth, already 1 minute. Drilling operation, 3 minutes. Coolant spray, 2 minutes. And removal of the product, 1 minute. Okay. So that's how you will have to decide the time, where is to be, where to conduct that activity, and this entire schedule, okay. So this will come under breaking down of operation. म्हणजे मेजर ऑपरेशन जे आहे त्याला स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टेप मध्ये ब्रेक करायचं, त्याचा प्रत्येकाचा टायमिंग ठरवायचा, ट्रॅव्हलिंग ठरवायचं, ओके. सो दॅट विल कम अंडर दी ऑपरेशन. दिस इज डिसाइडिंग सेटअप टाइम अँड प्रोसेसिंग टाइम, ओके. दोन गोष्टी असतात, सेटअप टाइम अँड प्रोसेसिंग टाइम, ओके. सी, product surface should clean, attaching on machine, adjusting drilling tool, deciding drilling depth. What is this? ह्या चारही ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये ड्रिलिंग स्टार्ट केलेले दिसते का कुठं? नो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ सेटअप टाइम. सेटअप टाइम मीन्स बिफोर गोइंग फॉर ऍक्च्युअल ऑपरेशन वी आर सेटिंग प्रोडक्ट अँड वी आर सेटिंग टूल. So whatever required things we have to set up first, okay. So this is the setting part, and here is the operation, okay. Here is the operation, and this is a setting of that particular activity, okay. This is also post operation setting, okay. Only this is the operation. Only this drilling operation is the operation, okay. So you have to decide the time, how much time is required for setting and how much time is required for operation, okay. So deciding setting up time and processing time for each operation, okay. So this you have to do for each and every part, okay. So proper timing will be there. This is called as a process planning, okay. So we are planning how much time is required for each and operation and how the product will travel, one machine to another machine to second machine, second to third machine, that way. Next, loading and scheduling. Okay, in the loading and scheduling, what is going to be done? In scheduling is concerned with the preparation of machine loads, fixation of starting and completion date for each operation. Machine have to be loaded according to the capability. Okay, loading machines as per the capability, determining starting and completion time, and to coordinate with the sales department. Okay, so what will happen in this case? Loading and scheduling. Suppose this is a machine number first. Okay, machine number first. Then this is the product A and this is the product B. Product B. Okay, see how it happens. And here is machine number second. Okay, so what will happen? Machine number first, product A. Product A will come at 12:30 on machine number A, and it will be completed in a 40 minutes, 12:45. Getting it? Okay. आता हा प्रोडक्ट ए 12:30 वाजता मशीन 1 वर आला, 12:45 ला कंप्लीट झाला. 12:45 ला मशीन 1 वर कंप्लीट झाला, काय होईल? इमिडिएटली दिस BI will remove time being. Immediately this product will enter at 12:45 on machine 2 and will be completed at 1 o'clock on machine 2. Product B. ओके, आता हे कंटिन्यू ऑपरेशन असणार आहे. प्रोडक्ट बी, आता प्रोडक्ट बी सगळ्यात अगोदर कुठे येईल? मशीन 1 वर. किती वाजता येईल? Can you tell me the time? At what time the product B will come on machine 1? Check here. पहिला प्रोडक्ट 12:30 वाजता एंटर केला आणि 12:45 ला एक्झिट झाला. मीन्स व्हेन मशीन 1 विल बी फ्री. At what time machine 1 will be free? At 12:45. At 12:45. So the second product B will enter on machine A at 12:45. Completed by 1 o'clock. And when it will enter on the machine 2, it will enter on machine 2 at 1 and completed by 1:15. Okay, इथं 1 वाजता काय एंटर केलाय? बिकॉज फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विथ ओव्हर बाय मशीन 2 at 1. समजा फॉर एक्झाम्पल sorry, right, where we are here. Okay, सपोज इथं पहिला प्रोडक्ट 12:45 ला एंटर केलाय आणि हा 1:20 ला संपत आहे. ठीक आहे ना? तर हा जो दुसरा प्रोडक्ट आहे बी, हा किती वाजता एंटर करेल मशीन 2 वर? It will not enter after this 1 p.m. It will enter at 1:20. You getting time? Okay, and it will be over by. It will be over by. It will be over by how much time is required? 15. 35 minutes. Okay, so it will be around 2 o'clock. Let's take an example. For example, it's 2:05. Okay, now are you observing here? This product is completed at 1 o'clock on machine 1 and entering at 1:20 on machine 2. So there is a gap of 20 minutes. So 20 minutes this product has to wait. Okay, this 20 minutes this product has to wait. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so are you getting? So this is the planning. Okay, this is the planning of each and every operation. This product will wait here. This product will wait here for. Let me close this. This is making disturbance. Okay, this product has to wait 20 minutes here because other product is already there on the machine second. Are you getting the things? That is the issue. Okay, so this is called as loading and proper loading and scheduling. Okay, proper loading and scheduling. Getting it? Okay, Right. Okay. So that's how we are going to, this is called as loading and scheduling. Okay. So to coordinate each and everything, and accordingly you have to coordinate with the sales department, because see, as per your timing this product is going to be manufactured, and accordingly you will have to, uh, inform to the sales department that when product will be available, when product will be available. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's how that is called as a loading and scheduling. Okay. Now the next, dispatching. Just a minute. Okay. Right. So where is that? Okay. So in the dispatching, now see what has happened. How the sequence: material ready, method, we know the method, finalized. Second, machines and equipments are ready, manpower is made ready. Okay, we have planned it, getting it. Okay, and loading and scheduling is also done, and now it is called as a dispatching. Okay. Now here actually the execution will happen. Okay, this is the execution phase of planning. This is the execution phase of planning. Okay. Now here what will happen, till date we are just finalizing each and everything. In the routing आपण काय केलं, we have broken down the operation and we have decided the timing. Now in the loading and scheduling we have finalized each and every time. Okay, how much time is required. In the dispatching, what will happen now, that see, in actually what happens, this main manager will release the order, okay, to start the production. Okay, he will deliver the order that you can start the production, you can start the machine, materials will be released, the components will be released. Okay, so this is called as the dispatching of orders. Okay, so this is the execution phase. What will happen in this, what are the activities? To assign definite work to particular machine, work center and main, to issue required material from store, jigs, fixtures, and make them available at the correct point. Release necessary order time tickets and start of operation, and to record start and finish time of each job by each man. Okay, so here all the material, all the material, all the material is made available, all the orders will be released, and the actually the production will start. Okay, and once the production will start, this start time and finish time is recorded, start time and finish time is recorded accordingly. This is called as the dispatching. Next is a expediting. Okay, expediting means what? See, this is a kind of uh, right, sorry for disturbance. Okay, so in this expediting, or I'll call you, I'll call this as controlling tool. Okay, okay, because see, once execution will start, you cannot wait for getting the final product. You will have to check whether this execution or process is going in the right direction. Are you getting? Okay, because see, आफ्टर गेटिंग अ फायनल प्रोडक्ट यू कॅनॉट स्पॉट द एरर्स. म्हणजे फायनल प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही मिळाल्यानंतर तुम्ही हे सांगू शकत नाही की प्रोडक्ट मध्ये इथं प्रॉब्लेम आहे, त्यामुळे प्रोसेसमध्ये इथं चेंज करायला पाहिजे होता. ओके, दिस कॅनॉट बी पॉसिबल. ओके, वॉट एव्हर द थिंग्स एरर्स आर हॅपनिंग in between the execution is required to spot. Okay, so this is called as like a follow up. activity, follow up. Once the process will start, let's take the follow up. Is it going right way? For example, what we have decided here, the product will come at 12:30 on machine A. Is it coming at 12:30 or is it getting late? आता इथं काय होईल समजा, if suppose instead of for 12:30 it will come at for example 12:35. So delayed by 5 minutes, here delayed by 5 minutes. याच्यामुळे काय होईल, next product will also delayed by 5 minutes. So entire operation is going to be delayed, right? So that is having the impact. So that this is a follow up activity. Okay, so what will happen? Identification of bottlenecks, delays, interruptions, to devise the action plans to rectify the error and to ensure that production rates are in line with the schedule. Okay, so whatever errors will be there, that is required to rectify, clarify. And suppose for example आता इथे काय, ह्या शेड्यूल नुसार how many products are required to produce, for example 50 products in an hour. Okay, so you will have to ensure that there should be 50 products in an hour. If there is a problem that you are getting 45 number of products, 40 number of products, that means there is a problem with this schedule that you have to rectify, adjust, manage the things properly and make it only 50. Okay, so that's how it is called as expediting. Okay, I can give another name, follow up. Okay, simple follow up. Okay, here execution is started and follow up of that activity is called as expediting. Next is inspection. Okay, very important tool, right? Inspection, now I should not discuss in a detail. Inspection means what? It is a major control tool. Okay, quality control of each and every function. Quality control of each and every function. So for example, what is here? See, the manager has told that there should be 50 number of products in a machine, sorry, in in 1 hour. And if you are producing currently 40 number, that means there is a lag of 10 products. So what you will do, you will try to adjust the time here to make it 50, right? To make it 50, you will try to manage the adjust the time. How you will adjust? Instead of 15 minutes, you will try to process it in a 10 minutes only. For example, you will make it here 10 minutes, you will reduce down time here. Okay, so but because of reduction in time at this location, there should not be adjustment with quality of product. Okay, that is done in this inspection process. Okay, if you want to make it up to the quantity, means if you want to make it only 50 per hour, okay, that should not happen. That it should not happen that there is an adjustment with the quality. Okay, so that inspection is made in this activity. Getting it? Okay, so so this is for production planning and control, that each and everything should be as per the need, as per the need. Okay, see, basically what happens, if I want to tell you in short, for example, let's take an example of two-wheeler. It consists of, let's consider 1000 number of parts. Okay, it is million number of parts, but let's consider 1000 number of parts. See, so what happens, mostly one part is at one vendor and another part is manufactured by another vendor. For example, let's take a simple example. Nut is manufactured by, suppose, A industry, and bolt is manufactured by B industry. And who is assembling that? Industry C, म्हणजे parent industry. म्हणजे आता याच्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल सिंपल लक्षात घ्या. नट कोण सप्लाय करते? ए इंडस्ट्री. बोल्ट कोण सप्लाय करते? बी इंडस्ट्री. त्याची असेंब्ली कोण करते? सी इंडस्ट्री. सी म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी हॅव टेकन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ टाटा मोटर्स. ए आणि बी हे त्यांचे सप्लायर आहेत. टाटा मोटर्स काय करते? हे नट आणि बोल्ट दोघांकडून परचेस करून इथे असेंबल करते. ओके, नाउ इफ देयर इज अ स्लाइट चेंज इन द डायमेन्शन ऑफ नट, what is the use of bolt? If there is a slight change in the nut, what is the use of bolt? No use. Getting it? Okay, no use of bolt. So there is the issue. So each and every product should be as per given by for example, design department. So it should be as per specification. If it is saying 20 millimeter diameter, then it must be a 20 millimeter diameter. Otherwise, because of this issue, these products are useless. And because of this issue, this person cannot do anything. Are you getting? Okay. So if you are adjusting with the quantity, there should not be adjustment with the quality. Okay, that's what done in the inspection part. And see, the last one is the evaluation. Okay, evaluation. Now, what happens in this evaluation? This stage is crucial to the improvement of productive efficiency. Now, याच्यामध्ये difference काय? Inspection is a simple inspection. Evaluation in this phase, this is a closing the loop. For example, I'll give here example. See, you know the error. Okay, accordingly you will rectify it and you will correct it. Okay, but this happens internally. Suppose you have now produced the final product. Okay, who is going to give you the feedback? The customer, right? So customer will give feedback for your product, and this feedback is the actual feedback, and this feedback is, where is the line? This feedback is, wait a minute, this feedback is then given to the main department, for example. Okay, so in the evaluation phase, the feedback is collected from end user, and according to this feedback, these suggestions are given to the other department. Suppose, for example, if customer will says that there is a problem with the mirror of the two-wheeler, so what the industry will do, this feedback is given to the design department, this feedback is given to the manufacturing department that there is a problem with the mirror, correct it. Okay, so then they will check whether there is a problem with material, whether there is a problem with manufacturer or the person, or whether there is a problem with machine. Okay, so this entire evaluation is made in the last phase depending on the feedback from the customer. Okay, so loop will be closed. See, simply producing the product and selling it is not enough. After selling, take the feedback. If feedback is not proper, make the correction, again implement that correction and make manufacture improve the product, and then once again give it to the customer. Okay, so that's how the loop will be closed. Okay, so that is the analysis which is made in the evaluation phase. Okay, so this is the last phase. Okay, closing the loop. Okay, so these many steps are there. Once again, we will cover it from top. Material, collect the material, manage the material, finalize the method, arrange machines and equipments, decide maintenance policy, procedure, schedule, arrange manpower, plan the process, plan the loading and scheduling part, then start execution of the activity. Once execution will start, take the follow up that for that activity, whether it is going properly, is it as per the standard, then inspection. Okay, and then evaluation, closing the loop by communicating with the customer and with the manufacturing department. Okay, so these are all activities of production planning. Okay, or production process. Okay, so these activities are enlisted here. Getting it? Okay, see, basically there are three phases here. It is mentioned at the bottom. Look at here at the bottom: pre-planning, planning, and control. Okay, pre-planning means before starting the process. Planning means once you are going for the process, and control, once process is started, make it proper. Okay, that's how it is managed, right? So this is what about the functions of production process. Getting it? Okay, so if you are having any problem with this any kind of activity, please ask. Otherwise, we'll close this part here, and in the next lecture, the next week, we'll start with the flexible manufacturing system and lean manufacturing system. Okay. So we are going in a short here. I am just discussing all the details, but these pointers are in a short. Okay. So whenever I am sharing the notes, there these things are discussed in detail. But whenever there is a question on this functions of production planning and control, you can just mention this much information. Okay, that is sufficient. Okay. So now you can put your roll numbers and name in the chat box. If you are having any problem, you can ask me. I will be there in a session for some more time. Okay, otherwise you can log out. Hope you have received the study material. If you have not received, just check the links shared by your class coordinator. There I am updating regularly. Still, if you want something more, let me know.